Welcome to this tutorial on SQL commands. A SQL command is a specific instruction used to interact with a relational database in order to perform various operations like querying data, modifying data, defining database structure, and managing user access. There are several types of SQL commands, each serving a different purpose. In this video, we will cover the four main categories of SQL commands: data manipulation language, data definition language, data control language, and transaction control language. We'll look at examples of each type and show how they can be used in real-world scenarios. So, let's dive in. Let's start with data manipulation language, or DML. DML commands allow you to manipulate data inside a table. They allow you to add, modify, delete, and retrieve data from tables. The most common DML command is select. It retrieves data from a database. Here's how you use it. In example 1, it retrieves all the rows and columns from the employees table. In example 2, the values will be inserted in the employees table. In example 3, the salary will be updated to 55,000 whose employee ID is 1. In the last example, a row will be deleted whose employee ID is 5. Next, let's discuss DDL, or data definition language. DDL, data definition language. DDL commands define the structure of the database, including the creation and modification of tables and other database objects like create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. Here are some examples of DDL. This statement creates a new table called employees in the database. This statement modifies the existing employees table to add a new column called email. This statement completely removes the employees table from the database. This statement removes all records from the employees table, but unlike drop table, it does not remove the table structure itself. After running truncate, the employees table will still exist, but it will be empty. This operation is typically faster than a delete statement because it doesn't log individual row deletions, but it cannot be rolled back and cannot selectively delete rows.
Next command is DCL, data control language. This command's used to control access and permissions to data. Next is TCL commands. TCL commands are used to manage the transactions in a database. These commands control the changes made by DML operations like insert, update, and delete. The main TCL commands are commit, rollback, save point, and set transaction. Let's talk about DQL command. DQL commands are used for querying data from the database. It is often considered a subset of DML. In the next video, I will explain SQL TCL commands with a practical example in SQL Server Management Studio. I'll walk you through how to use commands like commit, rollback, and save point with real-world scenarios. Stay tuned for a hands-on demonstration. Thank you.